A share vastness value equivalent to $9.0100 a coin, which basically is very huge. The present exchanged cost range, 8.9800 or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The earlier day close, 9.1090, or so they truly thought. The change really was 0.0990, 1.09%, showing how today's exchange cost range, 8.9800 or so they basically thought. Converse rate, United States dollars to axes in an unpretentious way. A share endlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unpretentious manner. A share endlessness cost forecast on Monday, walk 6, cost $8.75, fundamentally most extreme 9.36, sort of least 8.14, or so they explicitly thought. A share vastness figure on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $8.54, lovely greatest 9.14, extremely least 7.94. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $8.88, truly most extreme 9.50, certainly least 8.26 in an unpretentious way. A share limitlessness estimate on Thursday, walk 9, cost $8.56, really greatest 9.16, kind of least 7.96 in a kind of significant manner. A share limitlessness cost forecast on Friday, walk 10, cost $8.54, by and large most extreme 9.14, truly least 7.94, which truly is very critical. In multi-week a share limitlessness gauge on Monday, walk 13, cost $8.72, really most extreme 9.33, especially least 8.11. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $8.41, in every way that really matters, most extreme 9.00, truly least 7.82, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share vastness estimate on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $8.06, genuinely greatest 8.62, especially least 7.50 in a huge way. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, walk 16, cost $8.04, fundamentally most extreme 8.60, exceptionally least 7.48 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share boundlessness figure on Friday, walk 17, cost $7.89, most certainly greatest 8.44, truly least 7.34, which truly is genuinely critical. In about 14 days a share vastness cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $7.55, genuinely greatest 8.08, sort of least 7.02 in an exceptionally enormous manner. A share limitlessness gauge on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $7.84, for the most part greatest 8.39. Truly least 7.29 in a fundamentally significant way. A share vastness cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $7.75, truly greatest 8.29, especially least 7.21, which especially is very huge. A share vastness conjecture on Thursday, walk 23, cost $7.62, most certainly greatest 8.15, genuinely least 7.09 in an extremely significant way. A share vastness cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $8.25 in every practical sense, greatest 8.83, lovely least 7.67, showing how a share boundlessness cost commonly equivalent to $9.0100 a coin, which really is very critical. In 3 weeks a share boundlessness estimate on Monday, walk 27, cost $7.87, kind of greatest 8.42, fundamentally least 7.32, or so they basically thought. A share limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $8.66 in every practical sense, most extreme 9.27, kind of least 8.05, as opposed to prevalent thinking. A share limitlessness figure on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $8.88, sort of most extreme 9.50, kind of least 8.26 in a very huge manner. A share boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $8.62 in every way that really matters, most extreme 9.22, genuinely least 8.02 in an unpretentious way. A share vastness gauge on Friday, walk 31, cost $8.30, sort of greatest 8.88, kind of least 7.72 amazingly. In about a month, a share vastness cost forecast on Monday, April 3, cost $8.39, kind of greatest 8.98, essentially least 7.80, which especially is genuinely huge. A share endlessness gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost $8.48, really greatest 9.07, genuinely least 7.89, which for the most part shows that a share boundlessness figure on Tuesday, walked 7, cost $8.54, lovely greatest 9.14, certainly least 7.94, which certainly is very huge. United States dollars to axes swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.1110 coins per $1, exhibiting that in about 14 days a share vastness cost expectation on Monday, walked 20, cost $7.55, really greatest 8.08, sort of least 7.02, which is very critical. Today's reach, 0.1080 0.1114 in a genuinely significant way. The past AS nearby, 0.1098, or so they in a real sense thought. Change for now plus 0.0012, plus 1.09%, or so they in every way that really matters thought. United States dollars to axes cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, certainly further appearance how a share endlessness cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $8.54, especially most extreme 9.14, kind of least 7.94 in an especially significant manner. Dollar to a share endlessness gauge on Monday, walk 6, cost 0.114 coins, greatest 0.123, beautiful least 0.107. Exhibiting how in about a month a share limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost $8.39, truly greatest 8.98, certainly least 7.80, which generally is very huge. United States dollars to axes expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 0.117 coins, most certainly greatest 0.126, especially least 0.109. Which especially is very huge. Dollar to a share vastness figure on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 0.113 coins, by and large most extreme 0.121, certainly least 0.105, or so they explicitly thought. United States dollars to axes expectation on Thursday, walk 9, cost 0.117 coins, essentially greatest 0.126, extremely least 0.109, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to a share limitlessness conjecture on Friday, walk 10, cost 0.117 coins, genuinely greatest 0.126, most certainly least 0.109. In multi-week United States dollars to axes forecast on Monday, walk 13, cost 0.115 coins, greatest 0.123, especially least 0.107 in a fundamentally significant